So I wanted to record this short video and tell you a little about what I'm about and my brand, as well as how I got into veganism. To start with, I'm not 100% there yet. Personally, this is a journey for me and I know I'll get there eventually. It started off watching the Game Changers movie, like a lot of other people, and because it came from a fitness perspective, that really hit home for me. From there, I continued to educate myself and completed Veganuary a month later, um, whilst listening to their audiobook as well. I'm no longer burying my head in the sand, and I feel like I've woken up. And although it's taken me longer than I'd have liked, it doesn't mean that it's ever too late to change. I do this because I love animals, because I love the planet, and I want to take care of my future health and well-being. I want to help others live longer, animals and humans. I produce recipes at Food and Fitness Always. I present the dishes as best as I can with my photography background. I review vegan brands and try to get the word out to help. I try to entice as many people out there to realise they can eat great tasting food without missing out on any key nutrients, and without the need to harm innocent lives. I've woken up. I think the world is waking up, and I know veganism will continue growing from strength to strength. People like you and me will help it become the mainstream, rather than the exception. So please check out my blog and my Instagram at Food and Fitness Always, and let's keep working together for a great future.